The next moves that we're going to do is the figure 8 vertical. We're going to work into your core. So we're going to start with the right hip. We're going to lift up through our heels, lifting up the hip and then bringing it right into our center and then lifting up the left inside. So as opposed to your backward 8, this is vertical, whereas the backward and the forward 8 were horizontal. So we're lifting up, and at this stage we're lifting up through our heels, keeping our knees facing the front. And move slowly and faster. The next move that we're going to do is the downward figure 8, which is, or it's called in Egyptian, the maya. The word maya means water. So we're flowing, we have to think of flow. As water flows, keep your feet hip width apart in the basic pose, and we're going to work like we're doing a big M. So the inside of the M, you come up, and then the next side, you come up. So we're working from the inner part of your pelvis. So we're going to lift up our heel, pull in, lift up, and it's sort of like that you're about to go and sit on a stool with just one side of your bottom. Up, up, up. So at this stage we're helping with our heels lifting and coming down. Now let's take it slowly. As one side comes up and goes down, the next side is already in preparation to come up. What you don't want to do is let your heels fall down on the floor hard. You want it to create soft movement. So if you think of Maya, take the first letter, the M, and draw it in from the center, up and over. Now, as you get really good at this, because you've been practicing quite a lot, you're going to keep your heels on the ground and you're going to lift up by tightening through your hips and over to the other side. And you're going to think of flowing your hips through the water. Good. Let's work between those two. So let's go into the upward again. Up, 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 and then flow into the Maya. Down, 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 and now keep your feet flat on the floor. And into an upward. And into the Maya. And keep your heels flat on the floor. And relax. That's the end of this lesson.